Hello there, Foreign Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be sharing a product with you guys that really broke my heart. A product that I tried it all which ways to like it, but it's just not working out for me, and it's by a brand that I really hold dear to my heart. But if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world, okay? So let's talk about it. We're gonna jump right into this. There's gonna be no sugarcoating at all, okay? So, I am, of course, on the hunt once again for finding new products to style my hair with. I really like to look for new styling products that I haven't tried before because I like definition when it comes to my natural hair. I just like something that defines it, okay? So, if you guys don't know, Shea Moisture is one of my favorite brands for hair, for skincare, all of that, right? I am in love with their Jamaican black castor oil leave-in, and so when I saw this, I was like, okay, you know, I can rock with this brand or with this part of the line. I really do like, you know, this line. So, and it has a little flip top now, so I like that too, because look, you don't have to like unscrew anything, you just kind of like flip top it, you know. So yeah, I like that. So I went ahead and I used it as a gel. So it's a strengthening and restore max hold gel. So I mean, if you want to create a ponytail, I felt like this would be good for. I didn't really think to use this too much as a what is it, like as a definition for curls, but I felt like it would be good for maybe those ponytails. And you guys know there was the time where I liked ponytails, and I still like to throw my hair in a ponytail when I don't feel like doing it, and throw my little Marley piece on the back, and it looks really, really nice. So I have a clip of me after using this, and my hair was just really stiff. Okay, you guys, no laughing, y'all better not laugh at me, but this is what my hair is looking like currently. It is very dry, very stiff, and there will be another video talking about why my hair looks like this, because I tried a product and I'm kind of heartbroken because it's by a brand I really do like, but it's just my hair is so dry, it's so stiff, there's no definition to it. When I first put this in my hair, like, there's no moisture to this at all. If you think there's moisture to this, then you're gonna really like make a fool of yourself. It does say strengthening and restore, so my thing is that anything that says strengthening and restore is going to have more of a protein aspect to it, something that is a little bit more supportive of the hair than moisture, okay? And with that in mind, the first time that I used it, I did do a leave-in conditioner. I did use some water in my hair. I put it in my hair, and it just did not do, like, it just, how can I explain the texture to you guys? I would put it onto my hair, and it felt like, oh, I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. Like, you know how you spray alcohol on something and then you like squeaky it? Like, that's how it felt in my hair. Like a squeaky, like dry squeak, like, and it didn't even hold my hair. There was no type of holding my hair at all. There was no definition. It was just like a very, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just, it was the most weirdest thing ever. And so I was like, okay, maybe I'll try it again next time. I will try it again next time. So the passion twist that I just did, I actually used this within that. And it left a lot of buildup on my hair. Did not like it in that aspect. Currently, I have it in my hair mixed in with another product that I'm trying out, and it leaves these little flakes all in my hair. It just does nothing for my hair but just hardens it, and it just, there's no definition, there's no softness, no play. It just, my hair feels more dried out than it did before, if you guys are following me. I really wanted to like this product, and I was like, I don't want to waste money. It's too late for me to return it, I believe, but I didn't want to waste money. So I was trying all types of ways. I applied it to really damp hair. I applied it to hair with water and leave-in in it. So, and it just does nothing for me. It just dries out my hair, I feel. That's probably what I'm trying to say, dry out. It just dries out my hair. I really wanted to like this, but it's a no for me. And you will never see me buying this again or doing anything with this. I tried it on Twist. It just doesn't work. It doesn't work. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I really don't want to throw it away because I hate wasting products. But this does nothing for my hair. So I don't know. Maybe my sister or somebody can use it. Maybe I'll give it to my best friend. Maybe somebody can use it. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, if you guys have tried this product and you have an opposite love for it than I do, let me know down below. If you use it, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore is not for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.